Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Hock rearrangement. In this reaction, a benzyl hydroperoxide under acidic condition rearranges to phenol and aldehyde or ketone. Mechanism of Hock rearrangement. The terminal oxygen of benzyl hydroperoxide in the presence of acid gets protonated to produce oxonium ion. Removal of water molecule and at the same time migration of phenyl group from carbon to oxygen produces phenoxyalkanilium ion and water molecule. Nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation gives oxonium ion. Proton shifting from one oxygen to another gives another oxonium ion, which then undergoes elimination like this to produce proton, phenol and aldehyde or ketone. For example, cumene hydroperoxide when treated with acid undergoes Hock rearrangement to produce phenol and acetone. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.